Ever wonder why some people have blue eyes while others have brown? Or why some people can roll their tongues while others can't? It's a fascinating world of genetics we dive into. This science, the study of heredity, unravels how traits are passed from one generation to the next. And the pioneering mind behind this? Gregor Mendel, the father of genetics. Gregor Mendel, an Austrian monk, made a groundbreaking discovery using nothing more than pea plants in his garden. Mendel meticulously crossbred these plants, observing how certain traits like flower color and seed shape were passed down through generations. He noticed patterns that led him to the concept of dominant and recessive traits. Some traits seemed to overpower others, while some only surfaced when not masked by dominant traits. Through his simple yet revolutionary experiment, Mendel discovered the principles of inheritance. Mendel's findings form the basis of what we now call Mendelian genetics. Let's break down his three principles. First, the principle of dominance, which says some traits overpower others. Picture a wrestling match where one trait always pins the other. Next, the principle of segregation, like a game of cards where each gene is shuffled into a unique hand. Finally, the principle of independent assortment, the idea that each trait gets sorted independently, like picking clothes from a wardrobe. These principles explain why we have certain traits and not others. So, why does Mendelian genetics matter to us today? Well, it's the cornerstone of our understanding of genetic disorders, guiding us to therapies, cures, and preventative measures. It's like a map, leading us through the complex labyrinth of biology and medicine. It's the reason we can predict the inheritance of certain traits and diseases, and why we can manipulate genes for advancements in fields like agriculture and bioengineering. Next time you wonder why you've got your mom's eyes or your dad's height, remember Mendel and his pea plants? It's all in the genes.